In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove commas in Google Sheets. This task might seem straightforward, but it's a handy trick that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're dealing with large data sets. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the particular sheet you want to work with. This step ensures you're in the right document to apply any changes you make. Once you've verified that you're in the correct sheet, we're ready to move on. Now, it's important to highlight the specific cells that contain data with commas that you wish to remove. Simply click and drag your mouse over these cells, or hold the Shift key while selecting the start and end of the range. This action will help tell Google Sheets exactly where you'd like the changes to occur, confining your find and replace to just these highlighted sections. With your cells selected, the next move is to direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on the Edit tab. This tab houses the tools you'll need for making adjustments to your data. After clicking on Edit, look for the Find and Replace option in the drop-down menu and select it. A new dialog box will pop up, which is specifically designed for locating specific text strings and replacing them with something else of your choosing. In this case, we're looking to remove those pesky commas. In the Find field of the dialog box, you'll need to type a comma. This tells Google Sheets precisely what you're aiming to eliminate. It's a simple but crucial step. Now move to the Replace With field. Here, you should input just a space. By entering a space, you're effectively telling Google Sheets to remove the commas and replace them with nothing, keeping your data intact but tidy. Next, click the Replace All button. This powerful feature will automatically replace all occurrences of commas in the selected range with the space you just specified. It's a nifty tool that spares you the time and effort of doing it by hand. Finally, once all replacements are made, click Done. This action closes the dialog box and confirms all of your changes. You should now see that your selected cells no longer contain any commas, making your dataset much cleaner and more uniform. And there you have it. You've successfully removed commas from your Google Sheets, making your data more streamlined and easier to work with. This method is wonderful for ensuring your spreadsheets maintain consistency and accuracy. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.